If anybody has any laundry they want me to do, I'm going to do some laundry tonight.
I'm going to throw this out.
Yeah, I'm laughing at you. You're doing something funny. You make me laugh, kid.
No, it wasn't.
Come on. And I'm going to kick my legs. Kick my legs. Kiddo. What'd you just see, Mommy? You want your papa? I kick. She just got this weird serious face too.
Where's the Wayne?
Ay.